Hey girls, so today it's room tour. So I think next year we will have a new house, so only my room will have a sneak peek on that, but we're not yet starting. But I still have my new decoration for uh, my room. So yeah, real cool, right? So first you will see our altar and my cabinet and our old computers. In here we have our lotion. I'll use water and it's supposed to be toned up. So we have our oils here, so yeah, and some other oils and powder, and our chargers, and our cool green lamp that will go in my new room, I think, and all of our old stuff. And this candle holder will be in my new room. So we have our CDs, our treasure box, and some other CDs, and some CDs in there, and our real big room. Yay! And in here we have my cousin's watch, our gel, and here we have our jewelry box. So my jewelry box, and I have my picture there, and looking at it, many jewelries. So have many jewelries, and there I have many of these. And we have our combs here, and this is personally mine, and our other boxes, and our scissors, and one picture. We have our little mini mirror that will be going in my room, I think, maybe. And this is my grandfather's uh, cell phone box, so he is using it right now. So here are some bags and my doll. This is a collector's item, so yeah. And my Blue Magic pink teddy bear, and my Smurf, and my sleeping bear. It's not really in a good pose. And some odd stuff in my wallet. So yeah. And a lot of shoe. So here we have our health products. We have here for our face and for our body. So yeah. And our TV remote, and my grandma's sewing machine, and our chairs, and this actually my cousin's bedroom, and the master's bedroom is from my grandma and grandpa, and mine is here. So I'm gonna go over there because my feet is so sore. So okay, we'll continue this. So my room is, I mean my bedroom is here, my bed, and my bedroom sheet is floral, and my pillows, and my grandmother's bag, and one is mine. So yeah. So I'm gonna go over here. That's my mom when she was young, and my uncle. So this my grandpa, my grandma, my mom. She's real pretty, and my uncle. So that's my mom. And okay, I forgot to go here. There's all of my headbands, and this one is from my communion, and that one is bag from from my mom, and a little bit two shoes, and There's my mom's pictures and a little other hot products. And I'm gonna let you see my 2 medals. I'm gonna have 3 now. So this is my first one, the bronze. This is my second one, the silver. Next I'm gonna have another silver and a gold. So I know what's happening in my whole life. So yeah, really cool, right? I'm like a fortune teller. So I'm gonna put this here to see. And my command bag and a little bit massager. And this my I'm gonna let you see this one. Oops, upside down. Danielle Padilla's calendar. Woo! I love Danielle Padilla. Go Dan, Danielle. So did you see Danielle Padilla? I think you didn't. And we already go here, and this is my puppet bear, and sometimes I sleep here when I'm sometimes scared. And I forgot to mention there's a TV that will be going in my room, so I'm saying stuff that will go in my room. And this is our DVD player and my Barbie shoes and a little bit book to read for me, and that's it. I hope I hope you love our room tour of our bedroom. It's 3 beds, so yeah, bye.